I waited months for a snowy scene. Been walking for months now with my drone and instax camera. I'm hopeful this day will come soon before the winter comes to spring. I'll keep looking and I'll be patient. Soon, this beautiful landscape will be covered in snow. That's what I love about photography. Patience and being outdoors. At last, the snow had arrived. The landscape changes its colour to black and white. That's the way I want to see it. Peacefulness, no sound, no wind, solitude, just me. Being in that moment is good for my soul. The atmosphere in this scene is tranquil and quiet. It's typical of a forest following a snowfall. The bench in the foreground for me means there's been a passing of time.